What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're doing question 283, move zeros. So essentially what this question wants us to do is take every zero and move it to the end of the array while keeping all of the other elements within the array the same order and the same value. So initial thoughts on how I'm going to do this. I think I'm going to go ahead and do a while loop. And for every zero that we find, we're going to append it to the end of the list and then remove that zero. And then we're going to keep a counter. And so we're going to iterate until I equals the length of nums minus the counter, because that will let us iterate through, not accounting all of the zeros that we append to the end. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get it going. So I equals 0. So we got to initialize I, and then our counter as well. My computer's being very slow, so bear with me. And then we'll start our while loop. So while I is less than length of nums minus counter. And then if nums I is equal to 0, we're going to go ahead and nums dot append nums I, and then nums dot remove nums I. And then we're going to go ahead and increase our counter. So plus equal 1. And then else, I'll explain this in just a second. We're going to do I plus equals 1. So the reason we're putting an else statement here is because we do not want to increase it here, because if there are two zeros back to back, we would iterate over that zero. So we only want to iterate when we come across a non-zero element. So let me back this up. Back this guy up. And put a return statement here. So we're just going to return nums after we're done with all these steps. And that should be good to go. So let's go ahead and test it out. Perfect. Let's see if this works for all of them. And it does. Not the greatest runtime. Let me know what you guys would have done. My memory is great. My runtime's not. I probably could have done a bubble sort. But you know, that's all right. We're all learning together. We're gonna, keep creating algorithms that are better in speed, better in logic. So go ahead and leave a comment. What would you have done? Do you like my solution? Also, go ahead and leave a like on the video. Go ahead and subscribe, and also go ahead and hit that notification bell, guys. I am solving a question every single day. LeetCode question every single day. We're learning together. I'm getting better. So I appreciate all the support you guys can give me. And have a good one. God bless. See you later.